Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you these four globally dominant affiliate marketing platforms that you can either join today, tomorrow, or anytime whenever you want to start affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing program, you can either decide to start working affiliate marketing with individual companies with a different affiliate marketing platforms, or with individual people. This is going to be different, depends on your perspective and depending on your capacity to be able to connect or to. Without wasting time, let's get started. Before we get started, also remember to subscribe to the channel Nomax TV, like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Now, without wasting time, as you can see, I'm using my computer. Let's now try to describe each and every one. The first one is called CG, or Commission Junction. CG Affiliate is among the big affiliate marketing platforms when it comes to the global competitive or commission junction. When we say CG Commission or Commission Junction, those are the same. If you come and type this CG Affiliate Marketing or CG Affiliate Program in your browser, you're going to see this one, which is called CG is an online advertising company owned by Publicis Group operating affiliate marketing industry, which operating globally. There is cg.com, which is the platform, and also if you open this one, you're going to be directed to the platform itself. And once you're already on the platform, you can be able to start exploring different details of the platform and also how this affiliate marketing platform work. So when it comes to this competition or to these globally competitive platforms, there are different things which make them being global competitive. As you can see, they have partnership, also they have different pages including resources. They also page which is including the about us section, platform, and others. If you needed to get started, you can either click here and also get started. Let's now try to see how is it the statistics. There's also 1 billion plus monthly reach more customers. There is 14 billion annually which who engage in meaningful interactions. There is also 157 million annually who drive more online and offline. There is also USD 16 billion plus annually who realize revenue potential. So now you can be able to see how this works. Now, if you need to get started, also you can click here and also you can see different brands who are working with this CG affiliate, and also you can be able to understand how you're going to be proceeding. You can see at the below here, there is advertisers and agencies, there is publishers and influencers. The advertisers and the agencies, those are the ones who are going to be bringing or wanting to pay money here or being able to promote their services. The partners are the ones who are coming here to promote, or the affiliate marketers who are coming to the platform to choose the product to promote and being paid from those products they have already now promoted. So you have to click get started. So what makes these platforms very unique is that it combines multiple advertisers other than having a single company which is offering the affiliate marketing services to the individuals or to the ones who need it. So now what you do is to fill out this form, and also once you are done verifying your email, you can be able to proceed on the affiliate marketing dashboard. And once you're verified, you can be able to get started with the affiliate marketing program. The second big affiliate marketing or competitive affiliate marketing platform is called Awin. So when we say Awin, you came here into your browser and type Awin, and it's going to be seeing this one. This is a global affiliate platform as well, and also it combines multiple advertisers who come to advertise their products, and the one you choose to be getting started with this platform, you're gonna be choosing the given advertiser to be able to earn money from. For instance, if I come here to the publisher benefits and the advertiser plans, so you can be able to see more details about these things. For instance, if you are an advertiser, there are also different accesses. You can see we have GBP, which is equal to 299 plus VAT per month, plus 1.5 tracking fee. There is also Awin Accelerate, where you request pricing. There's also Awin Advanced, where you request pricing as well. Now that is done here, what you need to do next is to come here and explore the publisher benefits, as you're gonna be joining as a publisher. For instance, if you join as a publisher, you can be getting here by clicking on join and start Awin. Once you click join and start Awin, you are gonna be also getting started, and also you can be able to sign up there. Are you an Instagram influencer? Great news, they have made joining Awin even easier. You can be using your Instagram and join easier as well. So now as you can see, joining Awin is very easy, and also remember that it contains multiple advertisers, and also those multiple advertisers who are advertising, they are the ones who are the source of income you're gonna be making. If you click on join, you're gonna be getting started by filling out this form, and you go to the promotional type, then you go to the promotional space and the verification step. Once you're done these steps, you're ready now to go and promote the services here. And also, the more services you promote and the more sales you're gonna be generating, you're gonna be making money as well. The third one, which is also globally competitive affiliate marketing platform, is called Rakuten Advertising. If I talk about Rakuten Advertising, you're gonna be coming here and type into your browser Rakuten Advertising. It is gonna be displaying itself, and also it's called RakutenAdvertising.com. What you do is to click on Rakuten Advertising, and also you can see they have different status. There are solutions, brands, publishers. The publishers are the ones who are gonna be also making money. When there are publishers here, they are affiliated, they are meaning, and also you're gonna come here and sign up. And also, if you be able to publish the given services, you're gonna be earning money based on the sales you have made. There's also an advertise section where you can reach your people. There's publishers where you can join their team and be able to make money as well. Here it is the statistics you can be able to come and check from. And also, as you can see here, affiliate intelligence, setting the standardized in affiliate AI. Is a leader and the pioneer in affiliate marketing. And also, Rakuten Advertising continue to push these possibilities. Also, they make now, so what they makes affiliate intelligence for you. Now you can be able to come and read different insights here. Now you will see I can become either a publisher, or can choose the different countries. So depends on you. Now you have to click get started if you need to be getting started, and also you can be able to fill out all this information. The last one, which is the fourth one, is called Impact.com. Impact.com also is another competitive platform that is globally, and also this is recognized as it can be helping you to make money by doing different activities or by connecting with different brands. When you are signing up on this Impact.com, it's one platform, all of partners. That means there are multiple advertisers who are promoting different services. And also what you do next is to come and enter into the Impact.com. And also once you are into the Impact.com, you can be able to select which one you are gonna be working with. For instance, Namecheap, whichever. And also which one you are not willing to work with. It depends on your preferences, depending on your audience, which means you're always free to choose which affiliate marketing platform or which business or brand which is fitting your audience category. For instance, if you want in techie industry, you can either choose to promote the hosting services. If you are not in techie, maybe electronics, clothing, fashion, whichever, you can choose the industries which are in those categories. This makes it very simple and accessible for every affiliate marketer who want to especially start or who want to build career in affiliate marketing. Now what you do is to come here on the publisher. As you can see, there is also partner with them section. Now there's a brands where you can see their brand, creator, edit. There are platforms where they have creator, the partnership management platforms and advocates. Now you come here and click on publishers and click on affiliates. Once you click on affiliates, you can see you have to find the brands, partners, and also once you go on brand partners, you're gonna be seeing this one, discoverimpact.com marketplace for affiliates. Now you have to get started today and click on this one. You can see there are a lot of brands which are existing here. And also once you click on get started, you're gonna be directed to also different the platform where you can get started and sign up as well. You can see they give you the sign up form, or you can either sign up with email or through sign up with these social logins. You can see I have this one, sign up with email, where I have to fill the details on fill my phone number, depends on the country. Also, you can be able to either sign up with email or whatever. So what makes this for affiliate marketing platforms unique and competitive is that they are all in one platforms where advertisers are partnering together, or where they have multiple advertisers who are also bringing their services they want to promote, and also you can be able to select your own. This means it is not limited to the individual company where you can go and see maybe they are working in the techie industries, you have to select it. But also these ones are different because you can go and select which one is matching your audience needs, which one is matching with your feelings, which one is matching with your suggestion, and whichever. So and also you can be able to feel flexible when you are doing affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe to the channel on TV, turn on the bell button, and also if you have any comments or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.